My teacher.
Okay, so I will send it. Okay, okay. Okay, wait ha. Wait ha. Okay, so how tech savvy are you? Okay,
Okay.
please have this. It's questions. I don't know what you're talking about. Number one. Number two, no, I don't think I can do that. Three, so I've never done that, but I think I know. Yes, I can do that. Okay, so let us have here. Wait ha. Okay, so we have here, you already answered. So what you're going to do, Tono, is example. Okay, you will gonna answer one. Okay, upload a video clip to YouTube. Okay, so example, program a simple game. Okay, of course you cannot do that. You will say, no, I don't think I can do that. You will answer number two. Okay, so let us add your answer. You write your answer in the chat box. Okay, example again, program a simple game. Can you do that? So your answer is number two because no, I don't think I can do that. If you think you can do that, your answer is number four. Okay, please write your answer in here in the chat box and we will total so we will know how tech savvy are you. Okay? Go now, start now. Yes, Tos, ha?
Okay.
If you think number one, you write number one, number two, okay?
Okay.
Tell me if you're done. So we can total your score and let us see how tech savvy are you.
Okay.
Yeah, yes. Okay, you take your time. Ano, 10:30 na tayo kapag.
I'm finished, teacher.
Okay, so where are your answers? Okay, where's number one?
Number one, oh,
No, no, no.
A,
Letter
I
A.
think.
A is
I don't know what you are talking about.
example. Oh my God. Okay, so number one, can you program a simple game? Of course, your answer is no. I don't think I can do that. So you will can answer letter A, number two. Okay. So
Okay.
can you upload a video clip to YouTube? Can you do that? Letter B
Okay.
is
Letter B is 3.
okay, three. Oh, like that. Okay, you write your answer in the chat box. Okay, you write your answer in the chat box. So teacher will total how many scores do you have. Okay, faster.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, wait ha. Okay, I will total your scores. Okay, so you have here four. Wait. So we have 5 plus 4. Letter C is 4. 9 plus 4, 13. Okay. Plus 4. 13 plus 4 is 17. Letter F. Set up new email account. Number 3. I've never done that. Okay. 720. 23. Letter H. 27. And letter I. Forward text message. Okay, it's number 4. Yes, I can do that very easy. 24, 27. Then, I know 28 plus another 4. 32. J. And the last one is letter K. Install. Okay. And up on your phone, it is. Okay, yes, I can do that. 3. I've never done that. Oh, you have never done that. So again, 7, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18 plus 3, 21, plus 4, 20, 21 plus 4, 25, 25 plus 4, 29 plus 4, 33 plus 5, 37. Ano, 38. Let us check your answer. Okay, where did you belong? You got 38 scores. In the 38 scores, your scores is here. Okay. So you are plugged in a real computer geek. Also, it means you can handle any gadgets or soft aware. That's fantastic. But make sure there's a lot of personal contact with friends and family in your life. Oh wow. So it means you are a tech savvy because your score is roughly 38, almost 40. Wow, very good to know. Okay. So, Tono, I will see you when? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, 8 p.m.
Wait. 8 p.m. I have class, Tono. So, can we have early, like 7 p.m.?
7 p.m. I have math class.
6 p.m.
6 p.m. I have math class at
Or
from
morning tomorrow.
5
Is
to
it
6.
okay? Morning or afternoon?
I think can we have on the weekend? I think Sunday 8 p.m.
Okay, so we will gonna have Sunday and Saturday 8 p.m. Is that okay?
Saturday I have a party.
Okay. So Sunday 8 p.m. Okay, so I will see you on
Okay.
Sunday 8 p.m. Okay, thank you, Tono. Good night.
Good night, teacher.